practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking, the only podcast where learning English feels like chatting with friends and not like a boring exam.
Yes, if English makes your brain tired faster than waking up early on Monday, don't worry, you're safe here. Trust me.
Exactly. Beginners always say, Anna, my English is slow. And I say, relax. Even my coffee is slow without sugar.
True story. Today, we're talking about something super cool. 9 science-based life hacks to improve English learning fast. And no lab coat needed, I promise.
Yes, real science, real life, and real mistakes. Because Jake makes many and we learn from them, right?
Hey, I make educational mistakes, okay? Like yesterday, I said, I am boring instead of I am bored, and everyone ran away.
See, learning already started. Beginners, if English confuses you, welcome to the club. We have snacks and jokes.
And zero pressure. If your English feels shy, just imagine it wearing pajamas. Very relaxed.
So sit back, smile, and let's learn English the fun way, because science says fun works better than stress. And I love fun. Life hack number 1. Science says speak before you feel ready, even if your English feels like a baby learning to walk.
Yes, waiting to be perfect is like waiting for pizza to grow on trees. Nice dream, never happens.
When beginners wait too long, their English gets sleepy, like Jake after lunch.
That hurts, but it's true. My brain says nap, not grammar.
Speaking early trains your brain faster, even if you make funny mistakes like I eated pizza, which sounds delicious anyway.
Honestly, if someone says I eated pizza, I still understand and I still want pizza. So mission complete.
Hack number 2, short daily practice beats long study sessions, which is great news for lazy learners.
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week because your brain hates surprises.
Exactly. Long study feels like leg day at the gym, painful and avoided.
But short practice is like stretching, easy, friendly, and less crying involved.
Even 5 minutes speaking English while brushing teeth works. Just don't spit toothpaste on your phone.
I tried that once and my phone learned English in bubbles.
Hack 3. Repeat English out loud because your brain listens better when your mouth is working too.
Yes, silent practice is like dancing in your head. Nobody knows if it's good.
Speaking out loud builds muscle memory, and your tongue learns English gymnastics.
My tongue sometimes trips, but that's okay. It's learning parkour.
Repeat simple sentences like, I am learning English, and smile like you mean it.
I repeat that every day, mostly to remind myself why I'm confused.
Hack 4. Learn words in sentences, not alone, because lonely words get lost easily.
Yes, learning only words is like buying shoes without feet. Interesting, but useless.
Instead of learning hungry, say, I am hungry after work, which feels real and relatable.
Very relatable. I'm hungry right now, and my English improves near food.
Context helps memory because your brain loves stories more than lists.
My brain hates lists. It sees numbers and runs away screaming.
Wow, we talked, laughed, and learned a lot today. Science would be proud, and so would my coffee.
Yes, if you enjoyed this, remember, English improves with daily fun, not daily stress.
Practice a little every day, smile at mistakes, and talk to yourself if no one listens.
I do that all the time, and honestly, I'm a great listener.
Thank you for learning with us on Practice English Speaking.
Keep practicing, keep laughing, and don't forget, your English is getting better, even if slowly like me walking upstairs.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye and happy learning.